This is the Ethanol project by me, James Corbin. The averages of super unleaded versus unleaded, as you can see right here, all the options. Uh, car car A for the average per cost per mile for gas was 0.5 cents. Car B 0.7, car C 0.8, and so on. Super unleaded uh, was a little higher, a little cheaper at some parts. For example, car D versus unleaded was 17 cents, and then super unleaded was 21 cents. The super unleaded costs more, which is least effective because it is bad on your engine. I learned that the cost per mile plays a big role on gas costs and how much you pay for gas. I also learned that each option uh, was more costly, minimizing the empathy on the car. For example, going down the line here, it was getting more expensive. 0.5, 07, 08, 017, 0.17, 0.06. The same for over here. Got really expensive. Car D, 21 cents. One of the options was 8 miles to the gallon, 9 miles to the gallon. It got much more expensive. That's why it's 21 cents and 17 cents. What surprised me was how low the gas cost per mile was. It may add up over time, but it was really cheap and affordable. What also surprised me was the fact that you have to pay so much in years, or so much in a year's time for gas per mile, or how much gas you put in if you're going on trips. I'll always remember to buy unleaded gas, not super unleaded, because it is bad for your engine and is terrible. I'll remember that each mile you drive, it costs a range from 4 cents to 25 cents. I'll remember that super unleaded gas ruins your engine, like I said. Which is better? The trick of this project is that neither one of them is better than the other. The unleaded is bad for the engine while it is cheaper, and the unleaded that was a the super unleaded is bad for the engine while it is cheaper, and the regular unleaded is expensive but it is better for the engine. So, to go over here, here's all the prices, all the way up and down here. Like I said before, it gets uh, pretty expensive. 19 cents, 16 cents, 17 cents, 21 cents, 20 cents, 22 cents. Be car D. Car D is most expensive because you're driving less miles, and that's if you're pulling a trailer or something. So it is a lot more expensive than the rest of them. That is my argument.